Hello friends, let me ask you one question. Are you bored from the typical look of such a jet plant? In this video, we will convert this kind of typical jet plant into this. So let's begin. This is the plant I am having. This jet plant is close to 2 years old and it has developed in long branch shape. So I thought of converting into kind of creeper. So first we will remove this plant from the original pot. So these are the tools I will be needing. So first let us take out plant from the old pot. Remove old soil. Ensure that roots are not much damaged. So this is a new pot in which I am going to plant. So let me first take out all the soil. Since this was the used pot, no need to prepare the soil from the beginning. This soil is already having coco peat and compost, so I'll be using soil as it is. So now let's start repotting. While repotting, ensure that there are no air pockets left, else it will start rotting from there. Now repotting is done. So let me give vertical look. So for that I will be using a straight rod kind of thing. So firmly insert the rod inside the pot, and with the help of plastic strings tie plant firmly with the rod at a regular interval so that it remains vertical along with the rod. Now since I have given a vertical shape, let me give proper shape by pruning some of the unwanted branches. I wanted to give a shape in such a way that there are multiple layers of leaves at a regular interval. So in between few branches I will completely remove. So once it is properly grown, we can see the different layers of the leaves. Though this is the first step, so it may not look that much attractive, but once it is fully grown, it definitely will look very nice. In future, I'll post video giving update on this plant. And if you are visiting first time to my channel, kindly ensure you subscribe my channel. So whenever I post a updated video, you will get the notification. So repotting and giving shape is done now. So let's water it completely. So friends, repotting of jet plant is done, and I given a vertical shape into kind of creeper, and I am very much hopeful it will grow properly in future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, bye.